how to sign in to CapCut with QR code. So if you want to sign into your CapCut with QR code, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your CapCut application. Now after opening your CapCut, you need to just go with Me, which is on the bottom. Once you tap on Me, you will get this kind of interface, right? So if you want to sign into your CapCut with your QR code, then first you just need to simply tap on the option which says tap to sign in. Tap on it. And then here on the bottom, you will have login with your TikTok, login or sign in with your Google, sign in with your email or your Facebook, right? But if you don't see the option to log into your CapCut with a QR code, then you can just simply go with your Google and search for CapCut QR code or search for CapCut QR code login. And then you will have an option of sign in with QR code, which will be on the first. You need to tap on it. After that, it will take you to this kind of interface and you will be able to scan or sign in with your QR code. It says that you need to open up your CapCut app on your phone and then tap on the profile icon and then go with the 3 horizontal lines and tap on scan, and you will be able to log into your account. But it says that CapCut needs to be version 8.7.0 or later to scan the QR code. So make sure that your app is updated, because if you have an outdated application, then you won't have the QR code option. So open up your Play Store and then go with your search, and under search you need to search for CapCut. And here if you have any updates, you need to go and update it, and after updating you'll be able to scan and sign in with your QR code. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.